Hi everyone, welcome to thlympic. To improve your math skills with teacher Adnan, let's start. This is our first question. It's about order of operations from International Math Challenge Category 1 around primary 4-5 level. So let's start. Always keep this in mind if you have a question about order of operations, bad math. First bracket, then exponent, then division and multiplication, and finally addition and subtraction. Keep it in mind, division and multiplication has same power, first one is first. Addition and subtraction has same power, first one is first. So here, let's see what we have. We have a power, then subtraction, addition, division, multiplication. So according to our rule, exponent is first. So 6 power 2. The exponent and power are same thing. So first we will do this one. Let's do it. 36. Now the next one is we have subtraction, addition, division, multiplication. So division is first, so we divide it, we get 1. And then now we have subtraction, addition, and multiplication. Which one is first? Multiplication is first, we multiply. Now which one is first? According to this rule, addition is before subtraction, but we said that they have same power. First one is first, so we can do the subtraction first, then the addition. The result is 32. So our next question from category 2 is we have a times table from 1 to 5 on x-axis, 1 to 5 on y-axis, and there will be products here. And the question asks sum of all these products. So there are 25 products. We need to add all of them. So what we can do is the first one is like this: 1 times 5 plus 1 times 4 plus 1 times 3 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1. So this one. Likewise, 2 times, we can start from here to get a good order. So 2 times 1, 2 plus 2 times 2, 4 plus 2 times 3, 6. So we will get this one. And finally, 5 times 1, 5 plus 5 times 2, 10 plus so on. So if you check carefully, we can just write this in this way: 1 times sum of numbers 1 to 5. In second one, these are even numbers, so 2 is common. If you factor out 2, you will get this expression. Same thing we can apply for others. And the last one, 5 is a common factor, so you can factor out 5 and you will end up with this same bracket. Now we see that the bracket part is common for all the terms, so we can factor out again, and what is left in the new bracket will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5. Now the final result is this one: sum of numbers from 1 to 5 times sum of numbers from 1 to 5. So we have this simple formula to calculate sum of numbers from 1 to n. Here our n is 5, so 5 times 5 plus 1 divided by 2. If you simplify, 5 times 6 over 2, and these two we can cancel. 5 times 3. So this is 5 times 3, and this is 5 times 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. Another 15, 15 times 15, 225. So this is my method. There may be other ways. Okay, this is the third question from category 3. It is like substitution and equations together, but we have lots of fractions, so it makes it harder. First, let's do this one. Let's try to get what is x. So we have a simple rule: if you multiply an equation by same numbers, so nothing will change. So for example, you multiply this side by 3, this side by 3, so it's okay, you can do that. When we multiply both sides by this number, this will cancel out. And likewise, if you multiply both sides by this number, this number will cancel out in the next step. So I want to get x and I want to get rid of 3. So I multiply both sides by 3. So in next equation, as you see, no more 3 because this 3 canceled. And now I want to get rid of this 2. I multiply by 1 over 2, inverse of 2. So if you multiply by 1 over 2, 2 is canceled, so no more 2. And on the other side, we have 3 over 4. Because if you multiply these two, 3 times 1, 3, 2 times 2, 4. Now we get what is x. Same way, I want to get y, but this time I will make it simpler. These two operations, I will combine it. Instead of multiplying by 3 and 1 over 2, I will multiply by 3 over 2, just opposite of this one. So let's see how it works. Now this is 3 over 4. To cancel out 3 over 4, I multiply by 4 over 3. So if you multiply both sides by 4 over 3, so this 4 over 3 is canceled. We got directly y. And here, multiply these two, 12 over 6. Or if you simplify it, you will get 2. So we got both x and y. Let's do substitution. So x is 3 over 4 and y is 2. And we have this expression to calculate. So let's do this addition. 4 times 2, 8, plus 3, 11 over 4. 2 times 3, 6, divide by 4. So if you divide two fractions, we change division to the multiplication and flip the second one and we multiply. So the result, the 4's canceled, 11 over 6. And one more way, if you realize that this expression is same as this one, and if y is 2, 1 over y is 1 over 2. And if x is 3 over 4, 1 over x is 4 over 3. And if you add these two, again, you will get the same result. Okay, let's check the final question. So this is about sets. In the question, there is a population, 70% use TV, 75% use internet connection. And what is the least amount who use both? So first, we made a Venn diagram to represent our question. So the blue one shows the people who watch TV. The green one shows the people who use internet connection. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Who use only TV? Who uses TV and internet connection? Oh, the people who has only internet connection, they don't have TV, and this one, the people who doesn't have both. First equation is A plus B is 70%, B plus C is 75%. And if we add A, B, C, D, it will be 100%, the total amount. The total should be 100% all the time. So if we choose D0, A, B, C should be 100, because if you make this 0, so A plus B plus C is 100%. And if we add these two, we will get 145%. If we subtract these two, we get what is B. So you may think that it asks the least amount. So YB is 45, because imagine that D is not 0. So if D is not 0, A plus B plus C will be less than 100. That time, the B will increase. It will be more than 45. But when you choose D0, so B will be minimum. That's why first we chose D0. We got this equation and the second equation from here. And when we solve together, we got B equals 45%. This is the least B amount. Thank you for watching us. See you in next video. See you, bye.